Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to add Elementor to your WordPress website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you want to log into your account in the upper right corner. So go ahead and log in if you've not already created an account, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here of your website. Where at the left side screen, you can find all the sections you can start using for your website, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with adding Elementor to our WordPress website. This is what we want to do. Here at the left side screen, we want to go ahead and scroll down until we find the plugins section. So find the plugin section and open it up. This is going to open up this new marketplace for your plugins where you can find all the plugins that you can use. And here is all the plugins we have in this main page, and at the top of the screen we have a search bar. We want to use the search bar and search for Elementor. After searching for Elementor guys, this is now going to go ahead and give us a result of all the plugins that are related to Elementor, and the first one is going to be the Elementor website builder. So this is what you want to do. By opening it up, now we can get started with installing it. In the upper corner right here, as you can see, you'll need a premium plan. I currently have a free plan, so I cannot use it guys. So as you can see, you want to go ahead and get a premium plan if you do not have one, and then install. There's going to appear an install button right here. You want to click on it, proceed, and get started with setting up Elementor for your WordPress website and choosing how to use it for your website. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.